Hello, my name is Maria Octavianti. How accounting works? Accounting is one of the key foundation of almost any business. It may be handled by a broker of an accountant at a small firm or by skill-based financial departments with dozens of employees at longer combination. The purpose general by version statement of accounting, such as cost accounting and general accounting, are individual in helping management make informed business decisions. The financial statement that summarizes a regular company operation, financial position, and cash flows offers a particular rate are company and coordination response based on thousands of individual financial transactions as a virtual all performal accounting estimation are the combination of years of study and rigorous explain combined with and minimum number of years of professional accounting explain. History of accounting. The history of accounting has been around almost as long a money in flat accounting history dates back to accounting civilization in Mesopotamia, April and Babylon. For explain during the Rome explain the government has definition breakdown of its plans. However, modern accounting as a formation has only been around since the earliest century. Looks partially is considered the father of accounting and bookkeeping. That to his contribution to head development of accounting as a profession and implementation mathematician and friend of long road. The Vinci facial published and book and the double entry system of bookkeeping in the modern profession of accounting was full from and lecturing by the Institute of Chartered Accounting in English and Wales. 5. This institution grant my of the smart by which accountants profit today. The form of the institute accountant in Liberty due to the intermission profession is only net to mark rector but study taught unfit The Aldring for Professional Linsbury was formed in Agustus 2019 in response to a series of state underground professional making the requirement to become a CPA more recent. The April is a accounting of various adventure professional growth hub including increased accounting and accredited types of accounting. Accounting may better wide recommend spread mission or working dispensing desk of information for this responded several broad group, the hard accounting and B group into financial accounting. Financial accounting refers to the purpose set to grade the instrument and inaugural financial systematics, the revisi of all information transmission that occur during an accounting period are summarized is the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. The financial statement of most stamping are auditing only be an internal CPA firm for some such as public trades companies, audios area legal requirement. However, legends asal typically request the result of an internal audit only as part of their debit accountant transformation. Most companies will have annual audits of one recommend of annual managerial accounting. Managerial accounting was most of the small data as financial accounting about its organizations and unifies information in definition was mainly in managerial accounting. A accountant generates monthly of or quarterly responded a business management them can ask to be business about how the business operates. Managerial accounting always accounting money. The out process of accounting installation, voting, formation, and various financial analysis today. Statily and the information that might be useful to management plus undermine his numbers. Plus accounting, just as managerial accounting helps business make decisions about management, cost accounting helps business make decisions about accounting anxiety. Plus accounting closing all of the cross reference to production a produced English managers business owner and accountant was this information to determine what her product sold. Close accounting. Many is classed as an company involved in production. Question in financial accountant, money is promotion to be a most of accounting small thing. Perform tax accounting. What will financial accountant often was on the of rural to reference the financial position of a company. Tax accountant of was a definition set of rights. The last are set the financial strength of left based one half right man is bring fixed tax account company wide referral rural altesping to minimize a company tax liability. Often office the entry tax purpose of a company the trustees company of the organization set the operation, the complementation, the comparating and the refreshing of tax liability. The accounting profession will basic accounting foundation can be handled by a bookkeeper. At French, accounting is typically handled by accounting. Accounting was first designation cast as certified public accountant or certified management accountant in the United States. In current the three legal designation, the credit accountant, credit general accountant, and general management accountant have been unified under the current professional accountant. A major component of accountant professional is the Big Four. The four legal accountant firms consist audit, consulting, tax advisor, a health, serving the financial along with my other company. The public accountant realm that generally define financial and tax accounting. Bagaimana akuntansi bekerja? Akuntansi adalah salah satu fungsi utama dari hampir semua bisnis. Ini mungkin ditangani oleh pengembangan buku atau akuntan di sebuah perusahaan kecil atau oleh departemen keuangan yang cukup besar dengan lusinan karyawan di perusahaan besar. Laporan yang dihasilkan oleh berbagai aliran akuntansi seperti akuntansi biaya dan akuntansi manajerial sangat berharga dalam membantu manajemen membuat keputusan bisnis yang tepat. Laporan keuangan yang meringkas operasi perusahaan besar, posisi keuangan, dan arus kas selama periode tertentu adalah laporan yang ringkas dan terkonsolidasi berdasarkan ribuan transaksi keuangan individu. Akibatnya, semua sebutan akuntansi profesional adalah puncak dari tahun studi dan Pemeriksaan ketat dikombinasikan dengan jumlah tahun minimal pengalaman akuntansi. Sejarah akuntansi telah ada hampir sepanjang sejarah uang itu sendiri. Sejarah akuntansi berawal dari peradaban kuno di Mesopotamia, Mesir, dan Babel. Misalnya, selama Kekaisaran Romawi, pemerintahan memiliki catatan keuangan yang terperinci. Namun, akuntansi modern sebagai profesi baru ada sejak awal abad ke-19. Luca Pacioli dianggap sebagai bapak akuntansi dan pembukuan karena kontribusinya telah terhadap perkembangan akuntansi sebagai sebuah profesi. Seorang matematikawan dan teman Leonardo da Vinci, Pacioli menerbitkan sebuah buku tentang sistem pembukuan entry ganda pada tahun 1493. Pada tahun 1880, profesi akuntansi modern sepenuhnya dibentuk dan diakui oleh Institute of Court Accountants di Inggris dan Wales. Lembaga ini menciptakan banyak sistem yang digunakan akuntan saat ini. Pembukuan lembaga terjadi sebagai besar karena revolusi industri. Pedagang tidak hanya perlu melacak catatan mereka, tetapi juga berusaha menghindari kebangkrutan. Aliansasi untuk literasi profesional yang bertanggung jawab ARPL dibentuk pada 2019 Agustus sebagai tanggapan atas serangkaian prosedur degresi negara membuat persyaratan. Akuntansi manajerial menggunakan banyak data yang sama dengan akuntansi keuangan, tetapi mengatur dan memanfaatkan informasi dengan cara yang berbeda, yaitu dalam akuntansi manajerial seorang akuntan menghasilkan laporan bulanan atau triwulansan yang dapat diungkapkan oleh tim manajemen bisnis untuk membuat keputusan tentang bagaimana bisnis beroperasi. Akuntansi manajerial juga mencakup banyak aspek lain dari akuntansi, termasuk penganggaran, permahalan, dan berbagai alat analisis keuangan. Pada dasarnya, informasi apapun yang memungkinkan berguna bagi manajemen dan berada di bawah payung ini. Akuntansi biaya sama seperti akuntansi manajerial membantu bisnis membuat keputusan tentang manajemen. Akuntansi biaya membantu bisnis membuat keputusan tentang penetapan biaya. Pada dasarnya, akuntansi biaya mempertimbangkan semua biaya yang terkait dengan produksi suatu produk. Analisis manajemen, pemilik bisnis dan akuntan menggunakan informasi ini untuk menentukan harga produk mereka. Dalam akuntansi biaya, uang berperan sebagai faktor ekonomi dalam produksi, sedangkan dalam akuntansi keuangan, uang dianggap sebagai ukuran keuntungan perusahaan. Akuntansi manajemen (CMA) telah disatukan di bawah satuan CPA Profesional akuntan. Komponen utama dari profesional akuntansi adalah 4 besar. 4 kantor akuntan terbesar dimaklumkan audit, konsultasi pajak dan jasa lainnya. Perusahaan-perusahaan ini bersama dengan banyak perusahaan kecil lainnya terdiri dari bidang akuntansi publik yang umumnya menyerahkan akuntansi keuangan dengan pajak.